Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... We're doing Peach Cliffs just outside of Penticton, or OK Falls. Oh, white crowned sparrow next to me. We had some cute little bugaboo running around over there. But yeah, this will be the first time doing this trail, so you guys are going to experience with me. Another first, hey? And yeah, I'm already feeling the heat and the dryness. It's just pretty out here. We've not yet made it a kilometer in, and we're already at a little lake. Little pondy guy. There is a duck on there. There he is. I don't know if he's a bufflehead or something. White and black. Oh, a couple of them. We were warned to watch for rattlesnakes. Didn't sound like they were actually a problem, just that they were there. They're really selling this trail to me. I'm gonna sneak through here. Apparently, look at that guy out there. He'd be an interesting climb. We're just past the 1.5 kilometers in mark. We're supposed to come down off the saddleback. It's supposed to be kind of steepish, not horrible, but we shall see. But when I looked, I noticed that the scenery was changing. There's a tower way up there. Maybe that's our target. Well, this connects to there, right there. This is just kind of like a side amble to make this steep bit manageable. Okay, so this spot looks a little steep and loose, but so far not bad. Just keep your feet on the outside where the roots of the other plants are, and that'll help brace you in. The little buggers are flying overhead. Seeing the shadows. Oop, 2 km.
Elevation 555 meters. Current speed 0.9 kilometers per hour. Average speed 2.6 kilometers per hour. Burn net calories 216 kilocalories. Workout paused. Workout resumed. Workout paused.
And there should be a way up to that tower, darn it. If we have to sneak in. We stopped at the little outcropping.
Workout paused.
This is a habitable zone. Oh, shooting stars.
Workout resumed.
There's a trail that looks like it might take us around that way. This is a habitat rehabilitation zone. So I'm not going to take any weird small unmarked trails here. I will kind of sneak over for the view. Okay, so let's start heading back.
Workout
I just
paused.
wanted to show you this. I think we're 4 kilometers in. We had a double back spot. Now we're heading down a trail. What's going on here? Okay. So I guess because it's covered, they want us to just skip over this thing. Look how pretty everything is. Okay, so we're 5 kilometers along. This down here below us is Skaha Lake. I checked the map, kind of hoping that this was the last of the hill section, but no, this is just the introduction. So there's a lot more up to do after this. But I thought I'd show you all the view. That's the rock I was sitting on. That's how far I've come up already. Kind of a crazy thought, eh? And the rock was already a ways up. Shooting stars. So we're probably like a quarter up, all the up we need to do. But this is the view, and it looks pretty nice as we go. We have to get around this rock in order to get to the parking lot, and it looks like they're deciding to take us a long way around it. So this should be really interesting. Can you see the moon up there? It looks bigger in person. That stone being held up by a little twig. Flicker. So that there's bear sign. And we're probably ants living in that tree. The bear just kind of ripped it open to gobble them up. What a nice section of the hike. Oh, it feels so nice and cool. The air is fresh. Deer. Deer.
Oh.
There's 3 deer there.
They're mule deers. They have the black spot on the tip of their tail.
Another trail up that way. I may have misjudged. There might be like horrendous climbing yet to go. Yeah, I can. Ew, this is gonna suck. Oh no, they got a side trail. Yeah, a side trail. Whew. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, 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 buddy. Thank you. What's up, buds? What's going on? What's the happenings? What's the happenings? Are there any multi-petaled buttercups in here? Look at them all. On the very last stretch of the trail, but this is what the last stretch looks like for us. It looked like there was a bypass that we should have took. That would have been marginally easier than this. Hey, you wanna come here? Hey, buddy, you gonna come? The Saskatoon in bloom. Yep. Yeah, we're done. Whew. All the vitamin D you could want. Oh my goodness. And it looks like we're the last ones here. Not quite 6 kilometers, I don't think. Pretty decent hike. Not very hilly comparatively speaking, but definitely very dry and deserty. So packing the extra water is definitely a good idea. All right. I'll catch you on the flip side.